Hello everyone, thanks for joining. Today we are talking about the AWS Solution Architect certification. What it is, why it's valuable and how you can boost your career. If you are looking to grow in cloud computing, this is a great place to start. So let's dive in. High demand for cloud professionals. Cloud computing is everywhere and AWS leads the industry with 31% of the market according to Statista. In 2024, businesses are moving to the cloud and they need experts to make it work. That's why AWS certified professionals are in high demand, with companies actively looking for cloud architects. Lucrative salaries and packages. AWS solution architect make great money. The average salary is in US around $147,000 per annum according to Datacam, and this certification consistently ranks one of the highest paying IT certification with salaries reaching about $155,000 per annum. So it's the strong career investment. Broad career opportunities. AWS skills open door to careers in multiple industries, finance, healthcare, e-commerce, and many more. With this certification, you can work as a cloud architect, solution architect, or a cloud engineer. It gives you flexibility and career growth options. Mastering AWS cloud architecture. This certification teaches you how to build secure, scalable, and resilient cloud solutions. You will gain hands-on experience with AWS services like EC2, S3, and RDS, preparing you for real-world cloud environments. Certification validates expertise. AWS certification is globally recognized. It proves to employer that you can really expertise in cloud, making you stand out in job application and careers. So, if you are seriously looking about a career in cloud computing, the AWS Solution Architect certification is a great step forward. It brings strong job demands, high salaries, and career flexibility.